What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers. If you've been found out in affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in the form at the bottom. Now, remember, I don't know if you guys ever saw my videos. I don't think I uploaded some of my older videos. Back when things were crapping out on me left and right. Now, I was just thinking about it the other day in Canva. I have a slew of, just a slew of graphics and stuff on Canva. Come on, baby. Now, I just went to go do some banner advertisement. And I use Canva for pretty much everything now, as far as my graphics. Because I'm not afraid to admit, well, I'm not ashamed to admit, that I have the creativity of a lettuce leaf, okay? So now, here it is. 5th of July. Here it comes. Jesus Christ. Oh God, I pooped my pants. I was trying to get into this for an hour. Trying every other site. Okay. While I'm here, I want to show you, I want to turn you on to a thing that I recently found in one of my old hard drives. Okay. It's called Build Traffic. Now, back in the day, banner ads were pretty lucrative. I haven't done one in a while. You certainly don't want anything on the right side, without a doubt. Everything else is okay. For some reason, this right column just doesn't work anymore. In the old days, it worked because the computers were so slow. Most likely why people were sitting there watching that thing go around. They took the time to view the whole screen. Now, that's something I used to tell my students when I used to teach computer service and teach people, not computer service. I didn't teach computer service. I taught people how to use their computers. And I would always tell them, take your hand off the mouse and read the entire screen. Okay. But yeah, this was one of the platforms. I decided to start digging up some of my old platforms where I used to advertise solo ads and things like that. Because Facebook, I'm really sick of Facebook, frankly. It did me good for a while. It's very, very difficult to do it. Okay, I don't want to dump a bunch of money into something I might get banned from for farting the wrong way. You know what I'm saying? So, this banner ads thing, I'm not an affiliate to it. Okay, I got a slew of services, and this is something I haven't tried either. I haven't tried hiring somebody to do my Facebook ads. Okay, my pride wasn't letting me do that. So, most likely with a lot of these places, they do charge you a good buck to do this. You can see that there's really no pricing in here on that. Just a lot of information. Okay, so they want you to contact them, which ain't a bad thing. I like talking to the companies that I deal with directly. But another way, Facebook is a good tool, because you can actually see when the last time they made their post. And look, this doesn't even go to their Facebook page. Alright, so maybe maybe I found another dud, I don't know. But I'll let you know. The search engine optimization, content marketing, I could do all that myself. I could do the Facebook thing too, pay-per-click management, let's see what's going on here. I think I'm going to give these guys a call and see what's going on, because Always like to see where they're located as well. You know, and there's a couple of quick ways you can do that if they don't disclose it. You know, I could take this number, search this number here, see where they're at. If it says anything. Okay, so they're pretty much, they got some other things going on. Oh, okay. Looks like they're in Florida. Alright, maybe under a different name. The number looks the same. So maybe this is their brick and mortar. Oh, look at that. Another American website, old American website, commandeered by China. Is that crazy? Build traffic. Right, it's the same phone number. So you really got to do your research whenever you're dealing with any kind of companies online, in the real world. Okay, don't let people stick you. Don't let people rip you off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is definitely well, this one is in Rhode Island. Okay, but it's got the current you know, URL there. So that's kind of cool. Alright, but they don't, for some reason, or maybe I'm just not seeing it here, they don't disclose it on the website. Let's see if under the contact, maybe it'll have it. Alright, so usually if it says this, it's Eastern Standard Time. Alright, so they're pretty close to me. We're gonna see what's going on with it, and I'll let you know. And I'm gonna write them, you know, and see if I'll write them first, see if there's any reaction, and then if not, because sometimes they'll get a slew of business, and you know, they can't get back to you for a week, and it's better to just call them, you know. But I'm definitely gonna try this banner service, because banner service, you don't even really have to contact them. Okay, and what I was about to do on Canva, I was just going to make up one of these 300 by 251. See if I can get it in the center here, see how much that cost me. You know, let's see where it's going. Because there's other forms. Oh, that looks pretty cheap. Okay, so for $11 a month, okay, it could be worth it to me. But you know, what it is aside from targeting your market, you know, putting the right eyes on your program, you know, whatever you're selling, you gotta have a pretty decent product. You know, usually something that helps people is the best way to go. Okay, and I'm actually gonna try this with the sciatica thing, you know, on the subdomain, see how it works out. You know, I've never really done it. I heard a lot of people online talk BS about it, and we're going to see how true it is. All right, and I'll let you guys know how it's going to happen, or what, you know, what's going to happen. I'm going to study this, and then I'm going to look for certain other ones, you know. Let's see how we got it here, and just while I got you here. One-time banner ad campaign, free category targeting. This is a non-recurring one-time order. Oh, that's nice to know. For $12. All right, we're going to see what's going to 5,000. Oh, okay, so they do it by impressions. And I got to pick my target audience. So now what you could do is you could do what they call a reverse engineer. Okay, like you could take something in here like antiques, animals, or you know, agriculture. Okay, advertising media. I don't know why you want to advertise for advertising media. Well, I could probably do that with my brick and mortar business. Ooh, that sounds like a good idea. That just gave me an idea. Advertising media. So I can put up my banners from my American mail order Okay, right before the COVID, and it was all just bad timing, I bought this advertising franchise where it sends out these giant flyers. Okay, and the next thing I know, I made up a bunch of samples for these are local businesses to me right here in New Jersey, and I made up a bunch of stuff, and basically COVID came, and I just couldn't do it. People were shut down. After people reopened a little bit, it was the oddest thing. It seemed like the auto dealers were the first ones to open up again. They were getting so much business that they didn't need any kind of advertisement to get them back on flow, and all the restaurants were down. As you can see, this is an ideal thing for restaurants. So I kind of had to reformat it. If things are failing in your business, it's always good to try and reformat it. Do not give up. Do not give up. Go out there, do your research, go in the real world, talk to people. So then rather, like when I first got this, it says restaurant guide, contractor guide, and then you put, 24 ads on this. They had smaller ads, which led into the hundreds, but I narrowed it down to 24 blocks on this. And basically, I narrowed it down even further to put 24 of single businesses on it. So if you're an auto parts guy, or you're a gutter cleaner guy, you're going to be the only gutter cleaner guy on there. And you're going to be the only restaurant on there, the only plumber on there. So I niched it down. Okay, and that's what you gotta think of innovative ways to do stuff. Okay, so this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that form, and I shall treat you like my own. Take care.